let's go.
You can see the pictures I paint, son. If I ain't the king of New York, then it ain't one.
What's up, YouTube? So, let me give you guys a quick tour of my 2001 Dodge B2500. Now, I'm gonna say this right off top. I love this van. I love this van, YouTube. I'm gonna say that right off top. All right, now we're gonna get into it. So this is the van that I was looking for. I wanted the short body, or the shorter body, not that extended. I wanted the shorter body van with the 1-ton frame underneath it, 1-ton suspension. Everything is 8 lug. There is Posi rear. It has the full floating Dana 60 underneath it. I wanted this van, YouTube. It has power windows, power locks. It does still have a cassette deck. We're gonna work on that. But overall, it's just a nice van. Now, there is no headliner. This is how I got it. There's no headliner. So we are gonna have a junkyard video coming up soon. There's no interior lights. There's no headliner. Hold on. Somebody actually bedlined the whole floor all the way to the back. I'm gonna leave the bedliner. There is no carpet up front, so we're gonna put a carpet up there. I was gonna bedline. I'm gonna put a carpet up there. So it's a little noisy because there's no insulation, but we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna take y'all to the back real quick. It does have the barn doors on the side. Way less trouble than the sliding door. Okay. So this box, these are the initial parts that I bought because I am about to do a lot of maintenance. I mean, it's a used vehicle. The van's 20 years old. There's a few things that I noticed while driving it that need attention. So I'm going to take care of this stuff first. Pardon me, YouTube. Some stuff that I'm going to take care of first. Well, you'll see. All this is going to come up in upcoming videos. Maintenance videos. You see, no headliner at all. There's also no rear panel. So like I said, we are going to take a trip to the junkyard soon because I also want to put a sunroof in here. So I'm gonna get a headliner. I'm gonna take a sunroof and put it in here, and a bunch of stuff. It's a lot of stuff coming up. Now it does need some body work. You can see like right here, some crappy body work. There's some stuff going on down here, you see, and down here, but overall, let me step out for a second. Overall, looks good, YouTube. I like it. Overall, it looks good, YouTube. So, like all of these things, the roof, all the paint is peeled off the roof, so we're gonna take care of that, but I like it, YouTube, so continue to watch. I want you guys to see the transformation of this. This is my personal van. So, hold on, YouTube. Look at these seats, YouTube. We're gonna put new seats in here though, because I need armrests. I need armrests, YouTube. But you see the cassette deck. It's very simple, but we are gonna do a lot of upgrades to this van. I am taking a road trip this year. So I got to get a few things done before I hit the road. But that's it, YouTube. All right, hold on. I want you guys to keep watching. Keep watching, YouTube, all right? Next video, we're going to get to work. We're going to start installing those parts that I have in the back. All right, YouTube? So I'll catch you on the next one.